Perth is a beautiful city. It has a population of approximately 1.7 million. The trend in world sport is that people are tending to stay in their living rooms, so we had to encourage people to get out of their house and come and watch live sport. We wanted to create a unique experience that you cannot get on television, and you must be here to actually see the lighting display. In summer we have cricket, we might have rugby, we might have rugby league, and obviously Australian rules football. But that only takes care of about 40 days of content a year in the stadium. So we're very much designed it to then incorporate out of game day use for conferences, conventions, weddings, etc.
So in the field club, you've got a very intensive nightclub atmosphere. It's quite dark, intimate, through to the coaches club, where it's about engaging with the coaches adjacent to you and looking out to the field of play, through the lighting of the community arbour and the stadium facade, and then through to the roof terrace. Those lights supplement the natural daylight.
The new stadium's lighting design meets the fans' first approach by providing a huge palette to the venue operator. Having that all working over a converged network has provided us a huge opportunity to integrate with other systems like the LED screens and the sound systems. We've got a great score on the television consistency index, quite a robust and hard standard to meet.
The community have just been absolutely blown away by what a fantastic opportunity it has actually created here in Perth.